It's really too much snow falling right now in Rockville, Maryland. Everywhere is full of snow, and you can see all the flakes falling down, man. Beautiful. And it's really cold. My hands are frozen because, man, I gotta put on my gloves right now. Everywhere is quiet. The stores, the banks, everything is closed, man. Everywhere. Nothing is working except the important companies or whatever. And you can see someone at the bus stop right now over there waiting for the bus, and really cold. God. Wow. But looks beautiful. That's the good thing about that. Yeah.